Okay, we are inside St. Michael's for the latest progress update. And right now we're in the narthex, which you can see has been taped, mudded. And the initial coat of primer has been put on. And there's been some finish work going on in the bathroom. You can see here. Look at how the tile is in. Looks a lot different than it used to, that's for sure. And we'll come back out here. Might be a little hard to see, but this is a little storage closet. A little dark in there. That's a little bit better. And we'll come back over here. And it's going to be really dark in the church because the scaffolding is still up. So that's the boards, the floor of the scaffolding above. So we're going to go upstairs and take a look up there, see what we can see. So here we go, up into the choir loft. Carefully. I won't be able to go very far because the scaffolding is up, but you can see a lot of work has been done and the ceiling is in and primered. Fresh and new. Looking good.